There is absolutely nothing better than coming home to a package, opening her up, okay, pulling her out and throwing her up on your mammy tapping head. This is Ft.AliPearl. I gave you the hair styled, okay, fresh out the pack, and now this is her combed out. Let's dig on into the details of this video, and I'll see you on the other side.
You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me now.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new one from Ft.AliPearl hair. Okay, I'm super excited about this one. This is a 5x5 wear and go wig, and I believe she's already pre-styled. So let me pull her out so you guys can see what we're looking for. If you're new here, I'm your girl Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. We are getting into wigs and tings, and I hope you are glad to be here with me. If you're new, bust down and subscribe to this channel because it don't cost you. I made me say I'm saying. Okay, so we are coming through with a 22-inch invisible lace wig. I want to take her out slowly so you guys can see what I mean. When I say I feel like she's pre-styled, okay? She is a body wave. She is a 5x5 lace closure. Get into that, okay? She is pre-plucked, pre-cut, bleached. She is all the rearing and ready to go, okay? This unit, thank God, has 2 combs on the side. I'm exhausted with these wigs coming without combs. She has 1 comb in the back. No adjustable straps, but she does have an adjustable band, okay? I am just going to throw her on and see what she's working with. I actually have on a V-part wig right now. But my grades are going. Y'all see that, child? My wisdom. That's what they call them. My wisdom is going. So I'm going to take this one off. Ooh. Let's see what we got in here. We did get some wig caps from Ft.AliPearl here. So we're going to leverage one of these. My eyes are watering so bad today. Like, I don't know if it's like my allergies or anything, but I've literally wiped my makeup off twice and done it again because I just can't with that feeling. Like, it feels crazy, like the wetness running down my face. Okay. We're just going to throw her on. Okay, so that's what she's looking like fresh out, which I'm not going to pretend like I'm not impressed already. Wow. Wow. Okay, that's really, really beautiful. Let's get her together. I'm going to shut my mouth. This hair feels insane. To the touch, this hair is silky. Very, very silky to the touch. I really don't even want to pull this out. I'm not going to do like such a mild... I'm just going to mildly get her together because I don't really want to compromise. I think the biggest point of this is to have something that you can wear and go. And I really want to give her that just dessert. Like she deserves, okay? So I'm just going to darken up. I mean, the lace looks phenomenal. But I'm going to darken her up a tinge. I'm going to shut my mini tit mouth. And I'm going to see your beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. Oh, just so you know, this unit is going for $237. I have her in 22 inches. She is a 5x5. With this wig, we did get some goodies, okay? We did get some caps, which I've already used one. Some lashes. We got 2 pairs of those. We have our Ft.AliPearl lace band, okay? Which we always appreciate. As well as a wig bag. Come on through. Come on through, storage. So let me be quiet. I really want to get into this. I think she'll be relatively easy. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. So I don't really need to speak to the styling of this unit because I think you guys get it. All I'm going to go through and do is really just get the lace all the way together. This unit by Ft.AliPearl hair is a glueless wig. She is pre-cut lace. She has pre-bleached knots. She has a pre-plucked hairline, and she requires absolutely positively no glue, and that's what we like to hear. I have this unit I have this unit in 24 inches. She is a 5x5 lace closure wig. Really makes it easier for this unit to be worn glueless. I'm just going on through and cutting in a little bit of baby hairs. I want to make sure where the closure is exposed a bit that I'm able to cover it up with those hairs. So at 22 inches with the 5x5, this unit is currently going for just under $250 at 22 inches. And let me tell you something, for the ease of this unit, the texture of this hair, that is absolutely positively a good deal. Now, I was really, really impressed with this because this really is the epitome of a glueless wig. You just want to throw her on and go. I'm doing all this styling for y'all, okay, if I'm keeping it in honey. Because I really could have wore this like a fitted cap, threw her on and kept it moving, all right? So I'm going to shut my Mimi's head mouth. Mother did really, really good under the heat. She styled well. The lace is absolutely impeccable. And if I had to talk about my favorite thing on this wig, honestly, I loved everything. The cap construction, the lace, the hair. I'm just curling my ends a bit, okay, just to make sure it's seamless. And I'm going to see you on the other side. AliPearl. AliPearl. Am I not giving Weather Girl realness? Let me tell you something, AliPearl hair. Not me, nor any hoe out there deserve you to come and kick the door in the way that you have with this wig. We're outdone, baby. We are absolutely outdone. My eyes are watering so bad, guys. I'm sorry. I actually cannot understand how good this wig is. It's frightening to me. It is frightening to me. She's 22 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. Let me turn around. I did not comb the curls out because I kind of like them. It's no secret that I love curled hair. I think she's perfect. She's bouncy. She's beautiful. The curls are soft. The hair is soft. The wig is snug. The band I do have kind of towards the middle, the adjustable band. I love that it has combs. Why did we stop putting combs on ready wear and go wigs? I have no idea, but I would like to keep mine up on my Mammy Tap head. AliPearl hair. Completely glueless, baby. Like, look at that. All I did was pull some down just because I didn't want the ends to show. Kind of where the closure ends. I didn't want that to be visible. I wanted to kind of disguise that as much as we possibly could. And did. AliPearl hair. This unit is absolutely disgusting. I gave you all the deets in the video. I really am. I'm not even going to pretend like this is impressive. For a number of reasons. One, the cap is stunning. The lace, it was the perfect amount of lace on the unit. And I say that because often I get these wear and go wigs and I still chop lace off. I was ready. With the jagged scissors and all, I was ready. But I did not have to do that this time around, okay? I didn't even go in and darken the inside of the unit. I didn't. I just darkened the outside a little bit, where the parting area is, and that's it. Like, so much of this unit was really wear and go. Ready to go. Kick in the door, get the hell up out here, okay? It was ready to go, and I'm really outdone by that. Like, I don't understand. Like, is it hard to make stuff like this? Or, like, are y'all not trying hard enough? Like, she was really, this is absolutely Glueless. She is a Bodywave unit. I do have her on 22 inches. She is just under $240. I added a little bit of heat because that's what I do. And that was it, baby. Like, that was it. So I don't know what else I have to say about this unit except for, yeah, grab her. That is quite literally the only thing I have to say. I think it's $240 is unbelievably affordable for this unit. The texture of the hair, baby, is silky. Can you tell? Like, completely silky, super lightweight. What more did you want? I'm excited about this. Like, I love this wig. I'm absolutely excited. I think this is a wear and go wig. Look at her. I'm wearing her and I'm going. Not sure where yet. Might grab a coffee. But you're picking up what I'm putting down, right? Like, so I really don't have anything else to say. She did not shed. She did not tangle. Primarily because I didn't even comb this out. I didn't even comb this out. Do y'all want me to? I really don't want to. Don't make your girlfriend do it. I think it's done. I think it's done. I think it's done. Why would you even get it curled and already rearing and ready to go if you wanted me to comb the hoe out? Okay, baby, I'm done yelling at you. I hope you had a good day today. I did. I hope you can grab something, throw it up on your head like a fitted cap and keep it moving, okay? I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again for Easy Breezy AliPearl Hair Original. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.